Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 1 of programming in JavaScript, an introduction to JavaScript. Before we get into the programming, we must explain what JavaScript really is, what it's about, and so JavaScript is the programming language of HTML and the web. JavaScript is very easy to learn. All these tutorials will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. We will be looking at examples in the near future. And so, why should one choose to study JavaScript? Well, JavaScript is one of the main 3 languages all web developers must learn before they become advanced web developers. HTML defines the content of web pages. CSS specifies the layouts of web pages. And then JavaScript is used to program the behavior of web pages. Web pages are not only the place where JavaScript is used. Many desktop and server programs use JavaScript. Node.js is the best known. Some databases like MongoDB and CouchDB also use JavaScript as their programming language. And so in the next tutorial, we will be looking at the first JavaScript. Insert the code into the text editor, which will be Sublime Text, so we can finish on that note. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.